Waukegan Tire was actually started 43 years ago by my grandfather, Jerry Nierheim. It's a family-owned business and there are 3 generations. I am actually part of a 3rd generation. I'm the oldest of 8 grandchildren. Here at Waukegan Tire, we're very focused on service and making the customers feel comfortable and appreciated. We really focus on our community and helping them, and recently we've put a great deal of effort into helping women and make them feel more comfortable when they come in to purchase tires. And all of our workers at all the different locations are female friendly certified from AskPatty.com now. Waukegan Tire decided to sell Pascal handbags because of everything great that they're doing. They're really helping the environment, and each bag is made out of discarded tractor tire inner tubes, which is great. And they're obviously great looking bags, and the designers, Ken and Angela, are very charitable people, and we think that is awesome, and they're really into helping the community. We decided to partner with United Way because we really like everything that they're doing for the community and what they're doing with helping children become educated and all the great things that we do, and we really believe in the same thing, so we thought it was a good fit. They're great looking bags, they're made well, they have really cool features such as inside of each bag there's a light. And actually, if your light ever breaks, you can always come into Waukegan Tire and have it replaced for free. But I think most importantly, what is so great about these bags is that each time that I look at a Pascal bag, it reminds me to be safe and to keep up on my car maintenance and do little things such as checking my tire pressure at least once a month, and little things like that can really make a difference and save lives. There are many different types of bags from Pascal to choose from. There are briefcases, there are bags like this, there are actually little wallets and card holders, and they are coming out with tons of new styles, so you have to check those out. You can buy the Pascal handbags here at Waukegan Tire, or you can buy them on the Pascal website. But what is really cool is if you buy them here at Waukegan Tire, we sell them for $10 less of the original price, and 10% of the purchase actually goes to United Way. The prices of the bags range anywhere from $22 to $400. The sales have been going great. There's a lot of excitement. There is excitement around the community locally, and also many celebrities have been caught wearing these bags and they love them. And actually yesterday we sent out a purchase to a man from the Netherlands who bought a bag. So they've been very popular. You can get more information at liveunitedlakecounty.org, or you can go to waukegantire.com.